There was a time when facing the West Indies was every cricket team's worst nightmare. Their fast bowlers terrified batters, their victories felt inevitable, and they ruled world cricket for nearly 2 decades. But today, that dominance feels like a distant memory. How did one of cricket's greatest dynasties fall from the top? This is the story of the rise, decline, and future of West Indies cricket. Golden Empire. To understand the downfall, we first need to understand how dominant the West Indies once were. During the 1970s and 1980s, they were virtually unbeatable. Legends like Clive Lloyd, Viv Richards, Malcolm Marshall, and Michael Holding helped build one of the strongest teams cricket has ever seen. Their biggest weapon was fast bowling. Opposing batters faced relentless pace from one world-class bowler after another. The West Indies won the first 2 Cricket World Cups in 1975 and 1979 and dominated Test cricket for years. Falling cracks, no sporting empire lasts forever. As the golden generation retired, replacing them became a huge challenge. The West Indies struggled to produce players capable of matching the standards set by their legends. At the same time, administrative problems began affecting the team. Disputes over contracts, player payments, and leadership became increasingly common. While nations like Australia, India, and England invested heavily in youth development and infrastructure, the West Indies often fell behind. Gradually, the aura of invincibility disappeared. Teams that once feared the West Indies now believed they could beat them. The decline had begun. The arrival of T20 cricket changed everything. Franchise leagues offered Caribbean players financial opportunities that international cricket often could not match. Players like Chris Gayle, Andre Russell, and Dwayne Bravo became global stars. Individually, many West Indian cricketers thrived. However, the national team struggled for consistency. Contract disputes and scheduling conflicts often prevented the strongest squads from playing together regularly. Despite these issues, the West Indies won the T20 World Cup in 2012 and again in 2016. The famous 2016 victory showed that Caribbean talent still existed, but success in T20 cricket could not hide the decline in other formats, especially Test cricket. Hard times the following years brought more challenges. The team suffered heavy defeats, their rankings dropped, and expectations fell dramatically. One of the biggest shocks came when the West Indies struggled to qualify for major tournaments. For a team with such a rich history, these setbacks were difficult to accept. The decline was not caused by a single issue. It was a combination of retirements, administration problems, financial challenges, and stronger competition from other nations. Meanwhile, countries like India, Australia, and England continued improving. The West Indies often found themselves trying to catch up. Hope remains despite everything, hope remains. The Caribbean continues to produce talented cricketers. Players like Shai Hope, Nicholas Pooran, and Alzarri Joseph have shown that the region still has enormous potential. Cricket boards have increased focus on youth development and fans remain passionate about the game. Rebuilding will take time, but the talent is still there. History has shown that great teams can rise again. The road back to the top will not be easy, but a revival is possible. Legendary legacy, the greatness of West Indies cricket was built by generations of extraordinary players. The early era was dominated by legends such as Clive Lloyd, Viv Richards, Michael Holding, Curtly Ambrose, and Courtney Walsh. Then came another generation led by Brian Lara, whose records and batting brilliance inspired millions across the world. In the T20 era, stars such as Chris Gayle, Dwayne Bravo, Kieran Pollard, Sunil Narine, Andre Russell, and Darren Sammy carried Caribbean cricket onto the global stage. Only Australia and India have won more major trophies, placing the West Indies among the sport's most successful nations. The downfall of West Indies cricket is one of the most dramatic stories in sport. A team that once ruled the cricketing world eventually lost its place among the elite, but their legacy remains unforgettable.